Hey guys, Tate from Florida here. Hey, I'm still out here at Providence Canyon, up on Canyon Loop Trail, and I just posted a video earlier. I did not realize there were more cars up here, so I'm posting yet another video just because I don't feel like backtracking as far to the first bunch that I found. So, there's more vehicles up here on the top of this trail. So you can find some more. Once again, this is on the 3-mile Canyon Loop Trail. I don't know if you can see in front of me. You can see we're on one end of the ridge of the canyon. You can see the far end of the other side. And yet here's some more. Once again, these are from the old homestead that used to be up here, and they just kind of abandoned them up here. And aside from removing the engines and the toxic things like the oil and the gas, they decided to just leave the vehicles up here. And they're not hard to find, as you can see right here, right next to the trail. So, I don't know what kind of vehicle this was here, but this looks like this might be the last one from this trail. Somebody wrote tumbleweed on it, 2018. Pretty cool.